ओम अखंडानंद संबोधो वंदनाद्यस्य जायते गोविंदं तमहं वंदे चिदानंदतनुं गुरुं शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वंदे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। Damaha topic is going on. Page 38 in Sanskrit commentary, Shloka 136. And in English commentary, page number 54. Mind will become calm when a person does pranayama. That calm mind is called pleasant mind. And for such a mind, a person who has this, in varieties of conditions, places, time, etc., desha kala, he will continue to have very good control over mind. The restraint over mind he will not lose when the practice is supported by regular pranayama. So, controlling senses should be substantiated by pranayama. That is what is said here. And therefore, person who is wise, intelligent, and who is analasaha, means the one who is not lazy, industrious, then he should put forth effort to control the senses. When senses are controlled, then mind will be peaceful. So, and that is what is explained in Tika, that such a person, yasya purushasya pranayamat, with the help of pranayama, indriya sanyama, controlling senses, mind will become peaceful, steady, firm. And that prasada means now it has ability to turn inwards. Otherwise, it is outgoing. It is only looking at objects. This is the samyak drashti. Tasya cha iyameva samyak drashti of this mind or of this person. Asya taya samyak drishtya pratiniyat digdesha kaladi avekshya. Seeing the different directions means in different places, desha kala, wherever he is, they are as per the scriptures and they are firm. Means he will not change in places, he will not become victim of situations in places. So his control is steady everywhere. his Dhamma will not be defeated. Why? Because, as it is said in Tika, tasya chirakala bhyasat tesham indriyanam samyak niyantranam praptam. Because of the steady long practice over control of sense organs, then his organs are like well-disciplined horses. Sadashva iva sarathe. Tat tasmat dhiman buddhiman, and therefore this wise person, and analasaha, he is not a lazy person. He should put forth effort for Dhamma. Vashe hi yasyendriyani tasya prajna pratisthita. In Bhagavad Gita it is said, if the senses are under control, then your wisdom will be steadfast. So if I want steadfastness in wisdom, I want to be sthita prajna, then I should control sense organs very well. Sarvendriyanam gati nigrahena bhogyeshu doshadhyavamarsanena Isha prasadat cha guru prasadat Chanting samayatya chirena chittam. Sarvendriyanam gati nigrahena. By controlling the activities of all the senses. 1. Bhogyeshu doshadi avamarsanena. By seeing the defects in the bhogya padartha. The so-called enjoyments. When I inquire and do pratipaksha bhavana, I have dosha darshanan in them. This is number 2. Number 3, Ishaha prasadat, by grace of God. And Guruho prasadat, by Guru prasada. Then Chittam achirena samayati, Shantim samayati. His mind will attain Shanti, peace. Not agitated. Achirena, not after long time. So Indriyanam gati nigraha means pravritti. You have to slow down in the senses activity. Constantly looking for vishayas, that should not be there, number 1. Number 2, in bhogya padartha, we have to see doshas. What are the defects? Through vichara, pratipaksha bhava. And if Ishvara aradhanam is done, knowing very well who is Ishvara, Sarvajna, Sarveshvara, Sarvantaryami, Sarva Karma Phaladata, and he is Sarva Shaktimat, endowed with all powers. Sarva Shaktimatvadi Guna Gana Vibhushitasya Sarva Yajna Tapasam Adhiyajnasya. He is the one who is the Adhiyajna over all the Yajnas by his grace. And Guru Mahima was already discussed in the beginning of this Grantha. Then Tasya Gariyaso Avidya Granthi Bhedinaha. Gariyas. So, Guru will get Gariyas Adesha. Yasun Pratyaya will come. Guru will become Gar. Priyasthira, Sphira Uru, Bahula Guru, Vriddha Tripra Dirgha Vrindarakanam, Prasthasva Var Bamhigar Varshitrap Dragi Vrindaha. These are the Adeshas. And Yasun Pratyaya will come. Vivachana Vibhajyopapade Tarabiyasnau. So Gariyasaha. Avidya Granthi Bhedinaha. These are the Visheshanas for Guru. What kind of Guru is? Paramakarunikasya prasadat, by his grace. Shantir bhavatyeva. Peace shall be attained. Next is Titiksha. Titiksha tij nishane kshamayam cha. Tij dhatu is there. Nishane kshamayam, forgiveness. Or we say forbearance. San pratyay is there. Gup tij kidyaha san. Gup tij kid. So tij dhatu is there. San, sanyango, agadi sheshaha. And then you get Ritva, Tij, Tij, then Haladishesha, Ti, so Titi, and then Jakar is there, Chohokuhu Sutra, Jakar will become Gakara, Kharicha, Gakar will become Kakara. And then you have Sakara, which will become Murdhanya. So now you have Titiksha, and then Tap Pratyaya will make it Titiksha. Before that, there is one more sutra that has to come, and that is Apratyayat. That is the sutra. Apratyayat. That is the sutra number if somebody wants. 33102. Apratyayat. And then Tapratyaya Titiksha. Adhyatmikadi yad dukkham praptam prarabdha vegataha achintaya tat sahanam titiksheti nigadyate. Adhyatmika, Adidaivika, Adibhautika. All these dukkham which comes due to prarabdha. Prarabdha vegataha yad dukkham praptam. Tat achintaya sahanam. Without worrying about it, without resisting too much, to go through it. It is part of the prarabdha. As a tapa buddhi, this is called titiksha. So anything that is an obstacle for shravanadi, you have to forbear that, but not let go of shravana. Heat and cold, praise and censure, all kinds of dvandva, shitoshnadi dvandva will come. Tasya sahanam, you have to do sahanam. Because prarabdha is there for all. You cannot avoid. So Tika says this, that Trivida prakarakam adhyatmikadi dukkham, that comes because of the prarabdha, I have to go through it. Without too much chinta, vilapa, etc. This is titiksha nigadyate. By wise people, suribihi nigadyate. Raksha titiksha sadrishi mumukshor न विद्यते सौपविना न विद्यते यामेव धीराः क्वचीव कवचीव विघ्नान् सर्वान् तृणीकृत्य जयन्ति मायाम्. मुमुक्षोः तितिक्षा सदृशी रक्षा न विद्यते. For a mumukshu, there is no protection like titiksha. Asau raksha pavina vajrena api na vidyate. By vajra also this raksha will not be destroyed. So a person, a mumukshu who is protected by titiksha, mumukshoho mumukshutvam titikshaya rakshitam, is protected by this titiksha. Yam rakshameva kavachiva, kavacham asya asti iti kavachi. स यथा कवचेन सन्नद्धः युद्धे शत्रु सैनिकान् तृणीकरोति तथा तितिक्षामेव स्वकीयं कवचं कृत्वा सर्वानपि विघ्नान् तृणीकृत्य अल्पीकृत्य मायाम् अविद्या काम कर्मादि दोषान् जयन्ति. तितिक्षाम् एव स्वकीयं कवचं कृत्वा, तितिक्षा will be his kavacha. Sarvanapi vignaans tृणीकृत्य, he will eliminate all vigna with the help of kavacha of titiksha. Tृणीकृत्य अल्पीकृत्य, they are insignificant. Mayan jayanti, avidya kama karmadi doshas, he will win over. In this world, there is nobody who doesn't go through obstacles, who doesn't have challenges. People think only my life has problems. Everybody has problems. And Shreyansi Bahu Vignani, if you go for highest goal, you will have a lot of obstacles. But I should be having titiksha. Who are these people? Dhiraha, titikshuhu. So those who have renounced the karmas, those who have sadhan chatushtaya, means other qualities are there, and those who have worked for pleasant mind, it is easy for them. Those who get disturbed over silly things, how are they going to achieve anything? क्षमावतामेव हि योगसिद्धिः स्वाराज्यलक्ष्मी सुखभोगसिद्धिः क्षमाविहीनानि पतन्ति विघ्नैर् वातैर्हताः पर्णचया इव द्रुमात्. क्षमावताम ही एव योगसिद्धिः. Those who have kshama, forgiveness, they alone will get the Ashtanga Yoga Siddhi. Or they will be able to have Brahmanishtha. You need lot of forbearance and forgiveness, both. For them alone, Swarajya Lakshmi Sukha Bhoga Siddhi. Swarga Rajyam, Lakshmi, the wealth of the heaven, and Sukha Bhoga. Otherwise, while having Sukha also, you will be Dukhi. Kshama Vihinaha, what happens to people who do not have Kshama? Means I should know how to move on. People who are, they are stuck at silly things in life. They can't see bigger goal. They are like the leaves that fall from the tree and not reach anywhere. Vatairhata parnachaya iva drumat. The leaves, they fall when there is lot of wind. Like in the morning, you see, many times the ashram roads have to be cleaned because so many leaves have fallen. Everywhere, you can see it in many parts of the world. This vigna, I should know how to challenge of vigna, how to handle them. The challenge is, I should not get succumbed to them. Vignas are the pratibandhas, obstacles that come for Brahma Jnana. So, Shravanam, Mananam, Nididhyasanam, I should not give up, no matter what happens. Titikshaya tapodanam, yajñastirtham vratam shrutam, bhutihi swargopavargasya, prapyate tadarthibihi. By titiksha, what all things one can accomplish. Titikshaya tadarthibihi, by those who seek those individual accomplishments, they shall get those. What? Tapaha, Danam, Yajnaha, Tirtham, Vratam, Shrutam, Bhutihi, Swargaha, Apavargascha. Everything you can get through Titiksha. This is the Mahima of Titiksha. Tapaha, austerity, if you want to do more, you need Titiksha. Charity you want to give, you need Titiksha. Right person, right place. And then when you give, you should not feel sad that, oh, I am losing all my money. Yajnaha, if you want to do yajna adi, you need titiksha. Tirtham, you want to go to pilgrimage, you need titiksha. Vratam, any vows you take, any anushtanam you do. Vedanta Vidya, Shravanam, any Aishwarya you want, Swarga you want, you have to have titiksha. Means you have to work hard for it. And for moksha, of course. So Swargarthi will get Swarga, Apavargarthi will get Apavarga. Like that, everybody will get that through Titiksha. Sarvam Titikshaya Sulabham Bhavati Ityartha. Brahmacharya Mahimsa cha Sadhunam api charhanam Parakshepadi sahanam Titikshoreva siddhyati. It's very beautiful. For a titikshu alone, titikshoho eva brahmacharyam ahimsa sadhunam arhanam. Arhanam means pujanam, sevanam. And para akshepadi sahanam. So many people will blame you for so many things. Some criticism will come. When a person wants to walk on this path, people will say, "What? Don't you have service to society? Don't you have service to your family? Your parents, you have to take care of them. You can't go and live in ashram. You don't study. You do other things. Brahmacharya, you need titiksha. It is like tapas. You have to do ahimsa. Seva is another big tapas. You have to let go of your own individuality, your priority. It is not easy. And people will speak ill of anyone, of sadhakas also. So, para akshepa sahanam, all this, ninda, etc., is sahanam is possible through titiksha alone. Titiksha is a must. As we increase its level, our strength will increase. Strength to manage problems of life. Therefore, Acharya says now, sadhaneshvapi sarveshu itikshottama sadhanam yatra vignaha palayante daivika api bhautikaha. Among all sadhanas, titiksha is uttama sadhana, the best. Why? Because yatra daivikaha bhautikaha vignaha api palayante. Adi daivika, adi bhautika, adhyatmika, all problems, they run away. Because you are not getting disturbed. Means those problems will not remain problem. Your focus is on Shravana. Those who don't have this, they will be lost on this path. Titikshoreva vignebhyas tvanivartita chetasaha siddhyanti siddhayah sarva animadyah samriddhayah. तितिक्षोः एव विघ्नेभ्यः अनिवर्तितचेतसः सर्वाः अणिमाद्याः समृद्धयः सिद्धयः सिद्ध्यन्ति. For a person who is not turned away when the obstacles come, vignebhyo anivartitachetasah. For such person who has lot of titiksha, all siddhis come to that person. Worldly success, here they have given anima, mahima, lagima, mahima, all this prakamya, prakashya, ishitvam, vashitvam, such siddhis. But worldly success also, they are possible for a person who has titiksha. No titiksha, no success. So I should not turn away. I should not change the course of my progress. Many times when you start, then people say, oh, nobody is pursuing this. Then not many people are successful. Why are you entering into these things? See, one person is successful, I will be the second one. And if nobody is successful so far, I will be the first one. Why not? And here Bhagavan has said, Bahavo jnana tapasa puta madbhava bhagata. So many people through jnana tapas have purified themselves and have attained me. So such confidence, such self-confidence should be there. And pratibandha will come, I will go through them. So the one whose mind is not turned away by obstacles, vignebhyo anivartita chetasaha. So when vignas come, he doesn't turn away. Such person is a titikshu. For such person, sarva animadyaha. यासां सिद्धीनाम आद्या प्रथमा सिद्धि रणिमा रणिमाद्या समृद्धयः सिद्धयः, all the अष्टसिद्धि अनायासेन सिद्ध्यन्ति, he shall get all of those. तस्मान् मुमुक्षोरधिका तितिक्षा संपादनीये सित कार्य सिद्धये। तीव्रा मुमुक्षा च महत्युपेक्षा जो भे तितिक्षा सहकारी कारणम। तस्मात् मुमुक्षो, फॉर ए मुमुक्षु, अधिका तितिक्षा ईप्सित कार्य सिद्धये संपादनीया। Whatever is his ईप्सित कार्य, ishtam, whatever he wants to accomplish, for that greater and greater titiksha should be there. My immunity to problems. Problems come, I am not disturbed. My mind has become like a shield of protection. Tivra mumuksha cha mahati upeksha. Tivra mumuksha and great vairagya, so that I can ignore so many things in life. Problem is not a problem. Where is problem? Such attitude when it comes. In particular in Gurukula, food, sometimes some people, you think that, oh, they are bothering you. Too many disciplines are there, too many rules. If the rules are not there, mind will do whatever it wants. Somebody is watching over you all the time. That is needed. And nobody should tell me anything. You will never grow. We know students who are like that. They don't want to hear anything, no criticism. And they will be there wherever they were. 10 years back, wherever they were, now also they are there only. Tibra mumuksha cha mahati upeksha, atyanta vairagya towards anitya vastu. Both of them are sahakari karanam. Titiksha sahakari karanam. For titiksha, you need these two. Tivra mumuksha and atyanta vairagya, if they are there, mumuksha will get great support. Titiksha will get great support from mumuksha and vairagya. If one of them is lacking, chances are I will drop out from the sadhana marga. Drop out doesn't mean that you will go back to samsara, but you will not progress anywhere. You will be stagnant. Up to here. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Krutau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.